Hello and welcome back to firststepsinforex.com. Today is the 3rd of December 2010 and we're looking again at the euro dollar daily chart. You can see here from the last chart I did yesterday, the last video, that the euro dollar has responded as I predicted. It's continuing to go up. We have to be cautious though, because the overall trend is definitely down. We're now at around 13327, as you can see. I have moved my stop loss up to about 30 pips below that. I'm following the trade because I am expecting a reaction for it to turn down. But my target area is actually, I'm expecting it's going to hit this trend line and probably bounce off it, maybe in conjunction with this 38.2% area here. We also have a potential place for a support resistance area here. If you see here, this particular area it's bounced off a couple of times here and it's bounced off on the other side, so there's a potential pivot point there. I'm going to mark that now. I didn't notice it before. So it's an area where it can potentially do it again. Let's just mark that in. Let's bring that down slightly. So as you can see, it's not an exact match, but it doesn't have to be absolutely completely exact. Around this 38.2% retracement, we've got the possible support resistance area and the trend line. We could go all the way up there today and bounce off, or it might bounce back earlier. We seem to have gone through this support resistance line. We seem to have passed the 23.6% return. So at the moment, I'm not sure when it's going to come back down again. My prediction is when it hits this trend line, and that's why my stop loss, which was originally below this low, I've moved it up to break even, and now I'm following the trade. Now I've locked in about 150 pips, which is fantastic. You can't say fairer than that. So we'll see what happens. It's Friday today, so sometimes you get funny things happening on a Friday, lots of news and things. So I will be closing the position sometime later today anyway, because I don't like leaving positions open over the weekend. Not a good idea, because you never know what kind of news will happen over the weekend. So sometime pretty soon, in the next hour or two, I will probably close this position anyway, or it'll just come out of my stop loss. It'll hit my stop loss. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching. This is today's episode, which is on the 3rd of December 2010. Thank you and goodbye.